Here, we are arguing about the representative metal materials and non-metal materials. Metal materials are categorized into ferrous and non-ferrous metal materials. Iron, aluminum, copper, and others are representative non-ferrous metal materials. This manner of understanding will help you to have a clear perspective on material selection in machine design. First is about iron. Iron has two important characteristics. It is higher resistance to external forces, and the other is its abundance on the earth. This is the reason why iron is used in many of the things around us. It is also the reason why understanding of steel materials is important in machine design. Next is aluminum. The characteristics of aluminum are easier to understand by comparing with those of iron. Aluminum is lighter and weaker than iron. You may memorize that the weight per volume and strength are both 1/3 of iron. Then, finally, it is about copper. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity and heat. While iron and aluminum are used as structures, copper is used for wires and other parts to conduct electricity. As the summary of the argument so far, you may remember the following points: iron for strength, aluminum for lightness, and copper for conductivity. It should be a starting point for organizing detailed and complex knowledge of materials required for machine design. Next is about non-metal materials. It is sufficient to know about plastics and ceramics as representatives. As you know, plastics are used in many parts around us. Plastics are very light material and easy to melt and formed into desired shapes. In addition, it can be made transparent or colored. However, their lower strength and heat resistance limit their usage compared to aluminum and steel. Plastics are very popular material in situations that light and complex shapes are required, but higher strength and heat resistance are not required. In fact, such situation often exists. Next is about ceramics. Ceramics is inorganic materials that are heat-treated and sintered. Tiles and bricks may be good examples. They tend to have the characteristics of higher hardness and rust-proof. As for the representative non-ferrous metals, you may remember them as plastics for wide variety, hard and rust-free ceramics.